Have you ever felt stuck, like no matter how hard you try, you can't break free from the challenges life throws at you? Imagine a way to not just rise above those struggles, but to transform them into the very foundation of your success and growth. Picture a flower, a lotus, thriving in the murkiest waters, untouched by the dirt around it, blooming into something pure, beautiful, and radiant. Now, what if I told you that your life could follow the same path? That you could harness the challenges you face, turn them into stepping stones, and manifest your wildest dreams? Stay with me, because today we're diving deep into the Lotus Method, a powerful and symbolic approach to manifestation that mirrors the lotus flower's extraordinary journey. By the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap to align with your highest potential and start creating the life you truly desire. Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore how the symbolism of the lotus flower can transform your manifestation journey. Manifestation isn't just about wishing for something and hoping it appears. It's about intentionally aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions to create your reality. But sometimes it can feel overwhelming, especially when life's challenges seem to weigh you down. That's where the lotus flower comes in, a timeless symbol of resilience, transformation, and enlightenment. In many spiritual traditions, the lotus represents the ability to rise above adversity. It grows in muddy waters, yet its petals remain pristine, untouched by the murk below. This process mirrors the journey of personal growth and manifestation, starting from a place of struggle, rising through persistence, and blooming into success. The Lotus Method takes this profound symbolism and translates it into a practical, step-by-step approach to manifestation. If you've ever felt like your goals are out of reach or that life's obstacles are holding you back, this video is for you. The Lotus Method doesn't just teach you how to manifest your dreams. It helps you transform your challenges into a source of strength and alignment. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to embrace your struggles, align with your desires, and bloom into the person you're meant to be. So grab a journal, settle in, and let's uncover the secrets of the Lotus Method together. The lotus flower holds deep meaning across many cultures, symbolizing the journey of transformation and growth. The mud represents the challenges and limiting beliefs that we all face. Just like the lotus draws nourishment from the mud, our struggles provide the foundation for our personal growth. The stem signifies the process of rising above these difficulties, a journey of persistence and focus as we strive toward clarity and light. Finally, the blossom reflects the realization of our dreams, pure, radiant, and untouched by the muddy waters below. The journey of the lotus mirrors the process of manifestation, showing us how to embrace challenges, rise above negativity, and emerge as the best version of ourselves. The first step of the Lotus Method is rooting in awareness. This is where you take stock of your current reality, acknowledging your challenges and the limiting beliefs that hold you back. By journaling your thoughts and emotions honestly, you gain clarity about the obstacles in your path. For example, if you feel stuck in your career, reflect on whether self-doubt or fear of failure is contributing to this stagnation. By becoming aware of these patterns, you can begin to shift them. Next, you move to setting intentions, the phase where you plant the seed of your dreams. This involves defining your goals with clarity and purpose. Write your intentions as though they've already come true, such as, I am thriving in a fulfilling career that aligns with my passions. Visualization plays a key role here. Picture your dream vividly, imagining the sights, sounds, and emotions associated with its fulfillment. For example, if you're manifesting financial abundance, envision yourself checking your bank account and feeling immense gratitude for the balance you see. The third phase is rising through alignment, which focuses on syncing your energy with your goals. This is where you begin to take inspired action, such as learning new skills, building relationships, or creating daily habits that support your intentions. Gratitude is a powerful tool in this stage, as it raises your vibration and attracts positivity. Imagine you're working toward better health. Express gratitude for the small improvements you notice, like increased energy or better sleep, while continuing to take actions such as eating well and exercising. In the fourth phase, embracing faith and patience, you learn to trust the process. While you continue working toward your goals, you also release attachment to the outcome. This stage is about balancing action with surrender, knowing that the universe is aligning things in your favor. For instance, if you're manifesting a new relationship, focus on becoming the best version of yourself and trust that the right person will enter your life at the perfect time. Finally, the last phase is blooming into realization, where your manifestations come to life. This is the time to celebrate your achievements and reflect on the journey that brought you here. Gratitude amplifies this success, so take time to acknowledge not just the outcome, but also the growth and resilience you've cultivated along the way. Whether it's landing your dream job, finding love, or achieving inner peace, honor this moment as a testament to your journey. To deepen your practice of the Lotus method, incorporate tools such as visualization meditation, where you imagine yourself as the lotus rising from the mud to full bloom. Crystals and symbols like clear quartz or a lotus charm can serve as physical reminders of your journey. Daily affirmations, such as "I grow stronger with every challenge," reinforce your intentions and mindset. Additionally, keeping a gratitude journal allows you to focus on progress and blessings, amplifying your energy for manifestation. The Lotus method works because it reflects the natural cycles of life and growth. It acknowledges that challenges are not obstacles but opportunities for transformation. By combining spiritual alignment with practical actions, the Lotus method provides a grounded yet empowering approach to manifestation. It helps you develop qualities like resilience, faith, and clarity, enabling you to manifest your dreams with confidence and grace. If you're ready to transform your life using the Lotus method, start today by embracing where you are and setting your intentions. Let the journey of the Lotus inspire you to rise above challenges and bloom into your highest potential. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could benefit from this message. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on life-changing content like this. Let's rise and bloom together.